Hi Babalo, we are going to use this video as a means for you to be able to recap all the sounds we have covered so far. R, like in car, star, sharp, farm, mark, and jar. Well, let's go recap our sentences. Our sentence for car is, I drive a fast car. Number 2, the star is bright and blue. Number 3, my pencil is very sharp. 4, I saw a goat at the farm. Number 5, I got a good mark for my test. Number 6, my mum got a huge jar of jam from Spar. I know that these are sentences that you can read already, but it will just help you to have them all on one video for when you need to recap anything, okay? That is the oo sound. We have the oo sound in the word for full. And let us read our sentence for full. My cup is full. Pull. I can pull a rope. Yeah, I can pull a rope. Number 3, bull. A bull is a daddy cow. Number 4, hopeful. I am hopeful that I will win. Joyful. My friends and I are always joyful. Thankful. I am thankful for my family. And then we did the E sound like in C, tree, 3, B, feet, and sheep. Okay? And our sentences for the E sound are, I was so happy to see my friend yesterday. My friends and I like to climb a very big tree at the park. I have to eat a healthy meal 3 times a day. My brother got stung by a bee yesterday. I kick the ball with my feet. I saw many sheep at the village farm. We did the O sound like in soap, foam, road, goal, goat, and throat. And our sentences there were, please don't use too much soap to wash your hands. Don't pour too much bubble bath in the water because the foam will be too much. This road is very slippery today because of the rain. Ronaldo, let's just fix that. Ronaldo scored a great goal in that match. I saw a brown goat at the farm. My throat is very sore today. I must go to the doctor. And we did the F sound, like in photograph, phone, trophy, elephant, phonics, and alphabet. Our sentences there were: my dad keeps a photograph of me on his office desk. My phone is flat because I could not charge it during load shedding. I won a trophy because I got first place in the swimming race. I saw an elephant with big I saw an elephant with big ears and a long trunk at the zoo. I know all of the names of the letters of the alphabet. Phonics are sounds that are made by the letters of the alphabet. And then yesterday I asked you to prepare the worksheet for OW. O and W together can sound like O, like in the words O, row. A row of girls and a row of boys. B-O, bow. A bow is like a ribbon. A-R-O, arrow. An arrow points you in the direction that you should go. But the O and the W together can also sound like ow, 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 like in the word owl, owl. This is an owl. K-ow, cow. This is a cow. And d-own, down. These arrows are pointing down. Okay? So, if you have already prepared this worksheet, tomorrow we will work on the sentences for the O and ow sound. Okay, so if anybody has made it this far into this video, Babalo is a child I've been working with for a while. So every sentence that you will have seen me read on this video, he already knows how to read by himself. He has gone through the entire process of learning how to code words. So he knows how to code words in his own head without having to write out the coding. So he's able to manipulate the sounds in any words that he would see so that he can figure out what the word is. As you can see, we've had lots and lots of practice. So this video was really, in as much as it was a video to round up all of the sentences that we've done together so far in one video for his own reference, it was also to expose the rest of you to the process that when you see me treating words in like 3-minute videos is because these kids, I have taken them through months of a process of learning how to do this, from the basic sound build up of every word to being able to decipher the sounds in every word in any particular sentence, and therefore enabling them to be able to start to read independently by themselves. Shoo! Now I've got 10 seconds before the video is over, and I'm tired of talking. So peace out.